Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I had some footage of this pantry before I cleaned it out. Apparently I didn't. I really wanted you guys to see it. It was a total disaster, but I don't have it, so we're just gonna start here and let's get it organized. So right here, I'm just cleaning off the pantry door with some alcohol because that's what the command strip requires. So that's what I was doing there. And this is all the stuff that came out of this pantry, you guys. It was a mess. All of this food came out of the pantry, you guys. I'm about to throw a lot of it away. And I have some molded bread, which is going in the trash as well. I got these baskets and these containers from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, let's get this closet organized. Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul. I know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. When I lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my regrets. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was way too shallow, my mind was way too narrow. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. I know why we say goodbye, but can we turn that bye into hello? I know how to love you now. No matter what I do, I can't let go. I don't know how